Rainforest Flora presents their annual holiday and Christmas sale. Come join us on December 3rd for exclusive items sold only at our Torrance location. Gift your loved ones the unique beauty of an air plant, also known as tillandsias, or prepare your home for the holidays with living plant decor. Come by and experience the exotic adventure that is our botanical showroom and our botanical garden outside. Many different bromeliads and tillandsias available, some very exclusive and only available at Rainforest Flora. Hope to see you December 3rd. Rainforest Flora Incorporated,